This year, first steering committee meeting has been held. It was virtual, wherein आपले जे युनियन मिनिस्टर आसात इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग श्री प्रकाशजी जावडेकर हांच्या अध्यक्षतेखाली आमची मिटींग जाल्ली ऑन 21 ऑगस्ट. आता गेले 12 दीस जाले. इमिडिएटली विदीन अनदर 15 डेज ताणी परत एक मिटींग घेतली म्हणे. सो स्टेअरिंग कमिटी भितर आस्पाव आसता तो DFFचा आसता, ESGचा आसता. ESGचे नेतृत्व आमचे माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अध्यक्ष म्हणून करतात. तातूंत भितर उपाध्यक्ष म्हणून म्हणजे पदेरी आसता. तशेंच DFFच्या वतीन तांचे सेक्रेटरी असतात आणि प्रकाशजी जावडेकर असतात. तसेच जे स्टेक होल्डर असतात फिल्म इंडस्ट्रींतल्यान ते सगळे असतात. अशें एक म्हाका दिसता सादारण 13-14 जाणांची स्टेअरिंग कमिटीची मिटींग जाल्ली आसा. इन दी फर्स्ट मिटींग इट इज ओनली डिस्कस्ड हाउ टू गो अबाउट whether we are going to conduct IFFI this year, 51st IFFI is going to happen or not, whether we should organize it or not. So most of the stakeholders, they have said that there shouldn't be any gap, but at a lower scale we can do it looking at the condition, ground realities किती आसात त्यो पळोवन. So there are about 7 official sections which are being conducted in the IFFI. आता IFFI म्हणटकच मागीर सगळ्यांचो सूर आशिल्लो की इट शूड बी इन दी हायब्रीड फॉर्मेट. नाव वॉट इज दॅट हायब्रीड? इट इज पार्टली वर्च्युअल अँड पार्टली रियल. रियल म्हणजे थोडी प्रॅक्टिकली ग्राउंडाचेर जातल्यो थोडी सेक्शन्स आनी थोडी सेक्शन्स आसा ती वर्च्युअली जातली. So we have not identified or DFF has not drafted so far which all the sections which will happen virtually and which all the sections will be conducted on the ground, that is real. So the next draft will come very soon. So as of today we do not know the structure. As of today we do not know how many countries will participate, how many delegates will come, how many juries will come, and in what format. So the for our job is to create, give the infrastructure for this. DFFन आमकां सांगले नंतर आमकां इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तयार करपाक जाय. We have left with very short duration now, and IFFI as it was happening before may not be possible in the same fashion because of pandemic. आणि त्या खातीर आमकां लिमिटेड काय जायना ती आमकां करपाक जाय. So that the industry itself, film industry भितर परत एक फावटी बूस्ट मेळपाक जाय. त्या खातीर हे अत्यंत गरजेचें आसा. पूण with minimum investment in that, within a minimum time, without taking any sort of risk in this pandemic situations, we are going to conduct it. So this is what I would say.
Crew being managed.
No, the draft is not ready. So secondly, that is only I will come back to you once everything is finalized. As of today, कच्च्या हवेत गोळीबार मारप म्हणल्यार बरोबर जावच ना.
IFFI हे जातली.
IFFI जातली.
सिनेमांसाठी एंट्री मागवल्यात तुम्ही. थिएटरचं एक काम चालू आहे ते कसं कितपत चाललंय आणि
आता थिएटरच्या कामाबद्दल काही चिंता करायची गरज नाही आहे. We are equipped with all the infrastructure. In a sense, what is minimum required we have, because I am very sure the schedule of preparation of INOX, we are little bit ahead of the schedule, and the schedule ends in the end of the October. So in the month of October we will have all 4 INOX theaters ready. So that will accommodate more than 1250 sitting capacity. So तशें पासून जालें जर जाय जाल्यार later stage we will have to decide how many will be this viewing capacity ताजी कितली आसतली. लिविंग the safe distancing बी केलें जर जायत it may come to 600 or something. कळ्ळें न्ही मदीं distancing दवरून जाल्यार. So this is we need not worry about the completion of INOX premises. That will be done. But opening ceremony, closing ceremony, then rest all the sections that we were having, master classes, all this we need to decide whether to go virtually or practically it will happen. So we are awaiting for the response from the DFF, Directorate of Film Festival, how they want to go about. So our job is not to advise them. Our job is only what they give us the draft, whether it is possible within this short period of time or not. So that we will get the information within another week's time, and we will see.
नेक्स्ट मीटिंग करना हाँ
Next meeting is so far not decided, but in that 21st meeting, Honorable Minister had said that it will happen within 15 days time. No, see, we are not forcing IFFI on anybody. We are providing only the infrastructure. The Honorable Chief Minister, who is also a chairman of ESG, has clarified to DFF what is the ground condition as of today in Goa. See, if it is going to happen in another 3 months' time, it may happen that by the time we get the vaccine or it is going on a lower graph, then if we decide some real things, then we may go, we have every option to go for the virtual. So maybe there shouldn't be break in that. नावापुरती काय जायना या फिल्म इंडस्ट्री भितर तो ब्रेक लागपाक जायना म्हणून एखादी वेळ इफी जातली ती भव्य दिव्य जावची ना. It would not be a big celebration, but there shouldn't be a break in between so that film industry gets a halt, because it is an economic and commercial activity which is stalled now. So somewhere somebody has to push it, and if we will help it. This is the perception of DFF and all film industry stakeholders.
शूटिंग सुद्धा पुन्हा सुरू झालीच गोव्यात.
काय?
शूटिंग सुरू झालीच मालिकांची आणि
हो हो, शूटिंग सगळीकडे आता झालेली आहे. As per the guidelines on SOP, maintaining the safe distance and having all infrastructure ready, this has been done.
मुंबईत